So now we are on to the box I pulled from the archives. As you can see on the box, it says Caves, Rivers, and Creeks. And
which is Southern for creeks.
Yep. But I'm going to open it up and see what's in it. So the first file to pull out is Caves, looks like. And we have a bunch of pictures of caves. Ooh, I like this one. So here we have a picture of Horse Thieves Caves. You can see a picture of that by W.D. Herbolt's Caves. I think I pronounced that right.
That's close enough, yeah.
And here's some more shots. Guessing this is an interior shot of it. You can kind of see. I do not know where this cave is.
There's a little note on the back of this one.
Legends say that the James brothers holed up in these caves after robbing the bank of Northfield, Minnesota, located near the site of the new Rochester State Junior College campus. They are popularly referred to as the Horse Thieves Caves. Research indicates Horse Thieves Caves were carved out of the soft rock in 1888 by Hurlburt and Company to make a cheap place to house hogs. The hogs all died of something, some kind of sickness, the first winter, and the caves were never used again. They became a favorite haunt of Rochester youth in which to play and dream of cowboys and robbers. In recent years, the danger of the cave-ins caused concerned local officials to dynamite the caves, so you can no longer go to the caves.
Right. And people have asked about these Horse Thief Caves and their relationship with the James brothers, meaning Jesse James, and we have never found any evidence that he ever used those caves, so it's kind of urban legend. But a lot of caves in this area were used as refrigeration before things like refrigerators existed. Mm-hmm. So here's an example of one.
Here's the example. It's the Rochester State Hospital vegetable cave. As you can see how big it is. So the hospital would use this as refrigeration to keep vegetables cold all year long. We actually have caves on our property that kind of were used for the same thing. The George Stoppel family actually lived in the cave the first winter they moved here. And you guys can come and see that when you come visit the museum. So then we have Bear Creek, which looks like it's a creek.
So the box's label is pretty accurate.
Yep. So here is Bear Creek in 1941. Picture during the winter. So you can see that. That's interesting. I don't know where Bear Creek is, unfortunately.
It runs through town.
Okay.
Kind of an offshoot of Zumbro.
Yeah, this one's pretty interesting. Let's not do that one. Here is swimming in Bear Creek. You can see some old-time swimsuits. So next up, we have the Root River. Here's a nice overview shot of it. Now this one I do know where it is because I kayak it. It starts in Chatfield, I believe, but goes down south. It's a fun river to kayak. Try not to screw up the order for Krista.
Yes, we'd like things to stay in order.
So here we have Silver Creek. Show them that.
And it looks like, well, I can't see too much in there. I thought maybe there was a little bit of waterfall, but it's just a light part of the picture.
Okay. Then we have the Zumba River, which there's a lot of pictures in here.
Yeah, we have lots of pictures of the Zumbro, and we have lots and lots of pictures of flooding of the Zumbro, which are in different boxes.
Yes. So here's a picture of the Zumbro. As you can see, there's numerous photos. So if you ever want to come in and look up some old photos of what the Zumbro has looked like and has the changes it's gone through.
This one is from 1919.
Yep. you can come and see that and see how with the flooding, how it's been transformed.
Right, right.
And I think this is the last one. Yep. And the last one is Rivers and Streams, Zumba River, Lake Zumbro, and White Bridge. So I like this one. So
here's a picture of Water Patrol on Lake Zumbro. And that was formed by a dam on the river. It was built in the 19-teens, around 1917.
and here is an overshot.
Yeah, and this one shows the White Bridge. And I think Olmsted County is one of only a few in the state that has no natural lakes. Every lake we have has been man-made, which is kind of rare for a state known for its lakes.
But as you can see, we have tons of pictures of the creeks, the rivers, and caves and lakes here.
Mm-hmm.
You can always come in and look at them and learn some interesting history on all of them.
Yep.
I mean, there's still caves being talked about today, especially ours have been in the news some, and we have actually a good book that talks about caves in Minnesota.
Okay.
So you can always learn more about that, and yeah.
Just send us a message, stop on by, and see what we got.